Hello, my dear listeners. Welcome back to English Made Friendly. I'm James. Today's topic is something every learner struggles with: how to master grammar.
And I'm Sophia. I'm so glad you're here. Grammar can feel scary, right? Some learners even say it's impossible, but trust me, it's not. You just need the right steps.
Yes, grammar isn't a monster. It's just a tool. Once you learn how to use it, speaking becomes clear, smooth, and confident.
Let me ask you, James. Some people say, I can speak with only words. Grammar doesn't matter. What do you think?
I'd say this: words are like bricks. Grammar is the cement. Without cement, the wall falls apart.
Great image. For example, he go to school yesterday sounds broken. He went to school yesterday sounds correct and natural. See the difference? One is shaky. The other is strong.
My student, be honest, do you study grammar rules but forget them when speaking?
Most learners do, and that's normal. Knowing rules is one thing. Using them in real conversation is another.
Exactly. It's like the piano. You can read music, but you must practice with your fingers. Without practice, the song doesn't flow.
Same with grammar. Don't just know it. Use it. Speak it. Write it. That's how it sticks.
Okay, Sophia, let's give some real strategies. What's your first?
Tip 1. Study in small pieces. Don't try to master everything in 1 week. Today, focus only on the present simple. Tomorrow, only the past simple, step by step.
Perfect. My second tip: use grammar in fun situations. Learning conditionals, ask yourself silly questions. If I were invisible, what would I do? Or if I won the lottery, where would I travel? It makes grammar personal.
I love that. My next tip: notice grammar around you. Watch movies. Listen to songs. Read articles. Look at how tenses and structures are used. You'll absorb grammar naturally.
And my final tip: welcome mistakes. Mistakes are not failure, they are teachers. If you say she go to work and someone corrects you, be happy you just learned.
Time to practice. I'll say a sentence with a mistake. You correct it. Ready? He don't like coffee.
Easy. He doesn't like coffee?
Perfect. Another one. Yesterday, I eat pizza.
That should be: yesterday, I ate pizza.
Yes. Did you correct them too? My dear listener, this is the kind of practice that makes grammar strong.
Now I want to ask you, when you study grammar, do you prefer reading rules, doing exercises, or speaking with others? Think about it. Your answer shows your learning style.
And one more. What's one grammar point you always forget? Articles like am the, or prepositions like in, on, at. Write it down. Then promise yourself, I will practice this every day for 1 week.
I want to say something important. Grammar is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. What matters is progress, not perfection.
If yesterday you said he go to school and today you said he went to school, that's progress. That's a win.
Celebrate small wins. Keep going. Keep smiling. Grammar will feel easier every day.
So, friends, mastering grammar means learning step by step, practicing daily, and staying patient.
Exactly. Be gentle with yourself. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be alive.
Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time on English Made Friendly.